Look, a while ago I decided that I wanted to try an online business. Basically got sick of working all the time, making someone rich. Basically, I wanted to sort of try see if I could create my own business online. I'm still working. I still work in the scaffolding industry and the construction industry, but I've recently, about 2 months ago, started up an Amazon business online. And like I say, the reason is to get a bit of spare cash, and to eventually, I guess, in the future, maybe quit my job, see how it all sort of goes. I joined up with Alex and went through his mentorship program and his training program. Basically, he showed me how to source, hot products, and taught me how to list them and get them up onto Amazon and how to market them, and basically how to start making sales. So, within 2 months, I made my first sale, which is pretty cool. Still, fairly young and fairly new into this business, but the program that Alex has got has been really awesome for me. He's got a members only sort of website where he's got all the training, modules on from A to Z with Amazon, basically. And not only just Amazon, but that's kind of where I've started, in the Amazon sort of section. So he's taught me how to source products, source suppliers, how to market my product, how to get my product online in Amazon, basically, so I don't have to store any of my product. Basically, I just make sales and the product gets delivered to my customers. So yeah, his online system has been really awesome, really easy to follow. And also he just about 2 weeks ago, I came away from a 2-day training course where he's got a lot of top line mentors in the Amazon business, photographers, marketing guys, all sorts of guys come to this 2-day conference, which is really intense. I learned so much from it, and it basically kickstarted my business. I just wanted to come on and share that. The reason I went with Alex is I've seen a lot on Facebook, a lot of different guys that say they're Amazon gurus or dropshipping gurus, whatever they want to call themselves. But I liked Alex because, number one, he was local. He was local in Australia, in Sydney actually, and he jumped on the phone straight away with me, answered all my questions, and he was really upfront. Like he was saying, look, it's entirely up to you on how quick you want to grow this business. Obviously, businesses cost money, but the way I jumped in with Alex, I was able to just spend a couple $100 to get my first products up there, get my first sale, and then the plan for me is as I make my sales and make my money, I'm just going to reinvest. And so the system he shows and teaches, it's really for everyone. If you want to start it on the low end like me, just outlay a couple $100 to get your first product on, or if I guess you already have a business or you want to outlay tens of thousands of dollars on high-end products and a lot of products, his models works for that too. But there's sort of no pressure, or it's not like you signed up and all of a sudden there's all these costs that come, which what I really liked. And I liked that if I had a problem, I either rang him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to sort of give a little bit of a shout out, and I just sort of wanted to put out there, if anybody's looking into this sort of business, and they're a bit hesitant, it's a bit pretty scary because I'm not a tech guy or a computer guru or a businessman, so to speak. I've always come from working for someone in the heavy construction industries and scaffolding industries and that sort of stuff. What I would say is give it a go. I would say is contact Alex and discuss your goals, discuss what you want out of it. Look, I started this business basically doing an hour a day, so it's not like it's a massively time consuming for me, because it's on the side business. But there's a lot of guys that do this full time and invest more time and more money into it, obviously making more money and having more time to spare. That's where I probably expect to get within the next 12 to 18 months. I would say contact Alex. He'll be very genuine with you, and his team will go through with you everything. You'll see all the training modules step by step. You'll find out how easy it is. It was quite scary. I thought it was going to be very difficult, and I honestly didn't think I'd be able to do it, but I looked into it and took the step, and I'm so glad I did. Now I'm having my first sort of successes. Selling my first product line, and now I'm on the way with product line number 2, 3, and 4. I've been doing it 2 months, so it's pretty awesome. Look, all I would say is contact Alex or his team. He'll go through everything with you, then you can make your decision if it's for you. And if it is, I suggest just go through the training modules, turn up to our weekly conference calls that we have with everyone, answering questions, or they go over certain things, and go from there and enjoy. I encourage everyone that is looking into this type of business to jump on board. There's many different people out there. I came across scrolling through Facebook. So many people out there that say they're the best, they're the number one, their system's the best. It's so difficult to choose which one to go with. I took a punt and went with Alex. I'm really glad I did. I'm seeing results, and I haven't outlaid very much money at all. It's been pretty awesome. So just wanted to share that.